Hey guys, Jonathan here with TLD, and I'm going to show you guys how to create a bootable OS X Mountain Lion USB install disk. And this is useful in case you want to do a fresh install, or if you're just upgrading multiple Macs, it will make your life easier. Now you will need a USB drive that is 8 gigabytes or bigger, simply because the file is just over 4 gigs and won't work on a 4 gigabyte USB thumb drive. Now the next thing you'll need is obviously to purchase and download OS X Mountain Lion from the Mac App Store. I've already done that, but if you were to buy it, you go ahead and click here. It asks if you want to purchase it, so on and so forth, and then it will download it to your computer. You're actually going to want to close out of the installer and actually head over to your applications folder, which we can see right here, and look for the install OS X Mountain Lion little icon right there. We're going to right click, go over to show package contents, and then we're going to look for the shared support folder. And this is actually the file we want right here, so let's go ahead and double click this to mount it to your desktop. From there, we're going to want to head over to Disk Utility, and the easiest way to find that is to head up to the Spotlight section, type in Disk, which you guys can see right here, and then select Disk Utility, and then look for our USB thumb drive. So once we have that selected, head over to the Partition tab, select one partition, then we can title it, let's call it ML USB install. You can obviously title it whatever you want. Then we're going to go to the Options tab, select GUID partition table, and then go ahead and click Apply. It's going to ask us one more time and then hit Partition. Now once that's complete, we're going to head over to the little tab below the install esd.dmg. Click right here, head over to Restore, and then we're going to want to make sure that this is lined up right here. Drag it over to the destination. Click back here and you can see it's going to write that onto the USB drive. So go to hit restore. Then we're going to wait for this. This should take probably, I'd say, around 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how fast your USB drive is. But besides that, that is pretty much it. You just created a Mountain Lion USB bootable thumb drive. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, as it does help the channel out. If you missed part 1, which was actually me showing you how to create a partition to install Mountain Lion on there, but still keep Lion on your hard drive, go ahead and check this video out right here. And aside from that, I will see you guys later.